Okay, so I'm just making a quick video because I posted it on Discord, but it's 5:36 right now. At 5:24 New York time, it was 1361, and now it's 1275. So, I'm just that drop is incredible. So who knows? I don't know if it'll, because the market's still open for another 11 hours. Might see sub 10. I don't know, but the fact silver's under $13 is just insane. And yeah, 1275. So it's dropping, and along with that, I know it's either platinum or palladium that's been really bad recently, but if we look at gold here, it's also down. Like, that graph is so odd. But it really took a pandemic to wipe out this market. Yeah, it was palladium, which I believe it was palladium where it's pretty much gone. Yeah, it's gone to, silver level. Gold levels. Absolutely insane. It's dropped in 30 days, $761. Look at that high and low. Thankfully, I don't have any palladium, but now would be one of the better times to sell. Buy. Not just for palladium, but for platinum, silver, gold. Well, not gold necessarily. It's still relatively high, but 1292. You see, it's fluctuating a lot. The market's fluctuating a lot. Just wanted to put out an update video, I guess. Thanks for watching.